laundry baskets are a necessary element in any home, and the truth is that we do not tend to give too many times when buying it. But as any other detail always adds to the time of decorating, so it is important to be clear about the style or material in which we want it, because we have more products than we think at the time of inspiration. The laundry baskets can be purchased in different sizes, depending on the space or the people that we are at home. Starting from all these ideas, you have many possibilities when choosing it, with different materials, colors and shapes, so take note of some inspirations to choose the perfect basket. Baskets of dirty wooden clothes. The wooden baskets have several qualities that we can find interesting. On the one hand, we are talking about an ecological material, which can be easily recycled. On the other hand, the design of these laundry baskets is always elegant and natural, perfect for all types of bathrooms. It is one of those baskets that, besides being a functional element, serves to decorate the space. The cloth baskets. They are usually made in thick cloth so that they are a little stiff. We see the disadvantage that sometimes it is difficult to keep them standing, and this can tarnish them enough, besides being a bit uncomfortable. On the other hand, we have options with metal or wood structures, which are also very beautiful. The cloth baskets have some advantages. As their price is low, we can easily wash them if they get a smell or dirt and weigh almost nothing. Baskets in metal, they must be closed or take a piece of cloth inside, like wood, so that things do not fall out. They have a light and modern style, but in contrast tend to weigh more than cloth and are not so easy to clean. Plastic baskets. These baskets are simpler and certainly not as elegant as those made of metal or wood, but they are a popular option due to their price. In addition, we can find them in many colors. They are easily cleaned and they are light. Wicker baskets. These baskets can be opened, but they are used to store towels or blankets. In the case of dirty laundry baskets, it is preferable that they are closed, because that way you cannot see the clothes, which is not very decorative. Among these baskets there are many possibilities. Wicker baskets of dark or light tones, with painted areas or in one color, because the wicker can be painted. Baskets with message. It is possible to buy cloth baskets on which you can paint, so that we can put the name you want. But there are also already manufactured. These, for example, show us some models of different colors with the word laundry, to distinguish the laundry basket from other baskets that can be stored. There are also some that have messages to classify clothes. These seem especially useful for houses where there are large families,